The human body. How many legs do we have? We have 2 legs. What do we do with our legs? We walk with our legs. How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. What do we do with our hands? We work with our hands. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. What do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. What do we do with our ears? We hear with our ears. How many teeth do we have? We have 32 teeth. What do we do with our teeth? We chew food with our teeth.